What's up, YouTube? I just picked up this Dodge Ram 1500. You know, I did the usual to it. Back cover, lights. I did some lights in the corner and the hood and everything. Cleaned her up, whatever. I bought it like a month ago and it was fine. Then I started getting a squeak from hell. Squeak, 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 squeak. And I've been getting it on and off. Let me so you can hear it. Hear it? It's driving me nuts. I don't know what that is. I didn't do it before. Fortunately, I don't have warranty because it's been 30 days and it's a used vehicle. I was wondering if you guys knew what that was. I know you guys have been posting it online and people are scratching their heads with these cars, with these trucks. Let me show you what I did so far. This is what I've done so far. So I changed the new clutch. I changed the new water pump. I changed the new idler wheel. I changed the new tensioner. I put in a new belt, heavy duty belt. They say it's not supposed to squeak. I checked my alternator, rotated it. I checked my power steering, still smooth. The drive shaft is smooth. I can move, there's no binding. I cleaned the PCV valve. Some guy said that the PCV valve, if it was clogged, it'll make that squeak noise. I cleaned that. I cleaned the tube that goes from there. Cleaned all my intake hoses, my air box. I cleaned that. I cleaned the whole motor. And I'm still getting that squeak. If anybody know what that squeak is, I appreciate it. Just send me a text, let me know. Other than that, she runs good. I undercoated it, made it real nice, ready for the winter. I put these lights on there. These nice brackets. So, yeah, I mean, the car runs good, it runs normal, there's no problems. It's just that squeak that's driving me nuts. If anyone could tell me what that is or any ideas, I'll surely appreciate it. Just hit me off on the comments. Mike out. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.